Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the crowd counting project using machine learning. So let's open the project. Okay, this will be the home page. User have to select any input video. Then it will detect and count the total number of person in that particular video. So it is counting like total number of person 19, and it will also detect the person in the green boundary box. The number will continuously changing because the person is in movement condition. User can select for the live detection also. So it will open the laptop front camera. Okay, right now it is counting 1 because I'm only sitting in that front of camera. So it will show the count as 1. User can upload any input video and the model will detect and recognize the total number of person in that particular frame. So right now it is counting 20, 19, 21, 22, 20, because continuously person is moving in and out from the frame. So this project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter module used for the graphical user interface. Okay, let's select any input, the input video. This will be the lengthy video, so let's skip this. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching any type of project idea, then you can visit our website www.techieprojects.com. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.